Hello, course classes. We are going to continue learning stormy weather today after a quick warm-up. So here we go. Let's start off with some sirens. Same thing, 2 up, 2 down. 1. So get your good posture. Nice breath support. 1, 2, 3. Breath. Again and breath. Again and breath. Get all the way down to that low note. One more and. And now let's do some numbers and some ahs. 1, 2, ready and go. 2, 3, breath. Ladies, you're up here. 2, 3, breath. Lots of breath support. Big and open. Ready, go. Take a nice deep breath. 2, 3, breath. Really drop your jaw on aw. Ready, go. Aw. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, breath. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, breath. 1, 2, 3, breath. Now we're gonna come down with ah, eh, ee, oh, oohs. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, eh, ee, oh, ooh. 2, 3, breath. Good, ladies, you're up here. Ready, go. Ah, eh, ee, oh, ooh. Take a nice deep breath and ready, go. Make each one sound different. Ready, go. Now with an L, la. Ready, go. La, le, li, lo, lu. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. With an M, ma, go. Ma, me, me, mo, mo. Get down the low notes. Ready, go. Great. So, we started learning stormy weather yesterday. We got through the first verse. We're going to review that. The other verses are the same, just with different lyrics. And then there's this B section, which is the bridge. So let's go from the beginning. Ladies' first notes are, don't know why. Gentlemen, you've got, don't know why. And so we're going to run through what we did last time, which is, don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather. Since my man and I ain't together, or since my gal and I ain't together, keeps raining all the time. So here we go. Once with me singing, once with me not. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather. Breath. Since my man and I ain't together. Breath. Keeps raining all the time. Now we're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, breath. Great. Okay. The second verse starts right here, and the lyrics are, life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere. And misery has been contracted into 2 syllables, so it goes like this. 3, 4. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere. So let me hear that line. 1, 2, 3, breath. 2, 3, 4. again. 1, 2, 3, go. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere. Great. Next line is the same, stormy weather. Stormy weather, exactly the same as it was before. So let's go. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. 1, 2, 3, breath. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Great. Next line is, just can't get my poor self together. Just can't get my poor self together. 2, 3, breath. Just can't get my poor self together. Again, breath. Just can't get my poor self together. One more time, breath. Great, then the next line is, I'm weary all the time. Same notes as before. I'm weary all the time. 3, breath. I'm weary all the time. Again, breath. I'm weary all the time. One more time, breath. Great. And then there's a little echo at the end, usually. So it's, I'm weary all the time. And then this version has a little extra there that doesn't happen every single time. Usually it's just all the time. So there's sometimes a little tag there. So we're going to do that. So we're going to sing, I'm weary all the time. All the time. Just to get to the transition. So we're not going to do this line right here. This is this particular version. So let's go through the first 2 verses. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather. Since my man and I ain't together, it keeps raining all the time. Second verse. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Just can't get my poor self together. I'm weary all the time, all the time. Here we go. All together. 1, 2, beginning. Go. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather. Breath. Since my man and I ain't together, keeps raining all the time. Keeps raining all the time. Now we wait. 1, 2, life is bare. 3, go. Just can't get my poor self together. I'm weary all the time, breath. I'm weary all the time again. All the time. Great. Now we're at the bridge section, which is labeled B in this particular recording, which we will learn in the next video.